Squirrel and the hawk.
Yeah.
Both eating. One's eating nuts and one's eating the leftover morning dove. Kind of grainy because I'm taking it through the screen.
Well.
And if I move the curtain over there, it'll all depart.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Huh?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
You'd think he'd be eating that squirrel.
Thought he would, but.
Go get him. You won't have to eat that leftover bird. Just grab that squirrel.
Yeah. Maybe he's having second thoughts.
I don't know. Whoop, there goes the squirrel.
Wonder. Well, you certainly can't hear his timer, can he?
Huh? No. He's heading home.
Maybe
Yeah.
he made some kind of noise.
Wishing death in the face isn't exactly the most fun thing in the world to be doing.